Hi there, students. A notary or a notary public, and the verb to notarize. Okay, a notary is somebody who signs to authenticate a contract or a document. They authenticate that the people signing the document are the people who say they are, and that they own the things that they say they're selling. Okay, so a public notary is somebody who effectively authenticates a contract, who says, yes, this contract was made in good faith by these various different parties. And the notary signs it to say that he's checked certain things, as in the identities, etc. Normally this is in civil law. In civil law you need to be a notary. In general law you need to be a notary public. Notice as well the word is notary public as opposed to public notary. It's just got written that way round. That's the way it comes. And notaries have been around for a very long time. The worshipful company of scriveners is an old English phrase for a notary, and they've been around since the 14th century. So notaries are a very old thing, and I think there are legal references to the need for a notary or notarization that go back thousands of years. So to notarize is when the notary puts their signature to a document. Okay, so you need to write a contract and notarize this contract, notarize the signing of this contract. Okay, and that's the idea of a notary, an official who has the authority to say that the documents are correctly signed, they're true. And this is effectively what a notary does. They notarize the documents. It's the person who does certain legal formalities. Very often they will draw up the documents as well. If you get a document prepared by a notary, it's much more likely to be correct. And they certify that this, or for example, if you sell a house, maybe you have a notary to notarize the transaction. Notaries have slightly different roles or slightly different jobs in various different countries, in various different jurisdictions, but that's because the law is different in different countries. So the notary has a slightly different role. So a notary public. Normally a notary public is a lawyer, but it doesn't have to be a lawyer. And they have the legal authority to witness the signing of documents, to be present, and then to sign, saying that they were there and they were present and they saw this happen. And that gives them, makes the document legally more binding. It's showing evidence that this is correct and as defined in the document. So, formality, notary public. This is pure legal English. 6.5 informality, yeah, 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing or something formal. And as to origin, it comes from French, notary, from Latin, notarius. A notarius is a secretary or a clerk or a notary. So probably that in itself from nota, a mark, noto, to write down, note. You write a note. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Notary public, notarize.